Hereafter, no Nova launcher. Sorry guys. But here the new one, Pixel Launcher version 3, which is AOSP launcher, and it's not like older one. It has all the features of the Pixel 2. Well, here we discuss those things. So shall we? First is first, the Pixel 2 Launcher 3 is rootless one, so you can easily install on your phone. There is no problem if already the old version of Pixel Launcher is there, means it doesn't work, which means if you are using custom ROM like AOSP or Cyanogen OS, there will be a Pixel Launcher inbuilt as a system app. So to install the new one, you have to uninstall the older one. So to uninstall, you need to use link to SD app, then give the root access and uninstall. After the uninstall, just restart your phone and subscribe to our channel, because you will get the videos like this. So do click the red subscribe button. Now come to content, and after uninstalling that, just install new one. If you want, you can make the new one as a system app using link to SD app. That's what about the installation. Now we see some features of this launcher. It is same like a Pixel 2 launcher Oreo 8.1. You will get the search bar in the bottom of the dock bar, and it gives the support from the Lollipop 5.0. For instance, if you are running a Oreo, means all the features will work perfectly, and you can get the details of those features in the description link. As usual, in the left side you have the Google Now On tab. If you swipe up, you can see the transparent effect, and the main feature is custom icon pack. In earlier one, you can't able to change the icons, but here it is possible, and you have the option to show the dot notification. Also, it has the pixel widget called At a Glance. It gives the details like time, weather, sometimes traffic information. Cool stuff, really wonderful one. This launcher comes less than 3 MB. That's really appreciable. The performance also cool, there is no issue. And link of the application what I told in this video will be in the description. And thank you guys for watching this, and hope you enjoyed. If you yes means just leave a like, and I will see you in my next good one. Code motto.